Broccoli's green, tomatoes are red and look so serene. Peppers are sweet and cucumbers too. Let's eat our veggies, they're good for you. Veggies, veggies, yummy and bright. Eat 'em up with all our might. Red, green, yellow, and orange too. Veggies are good for me and you. Spinach is strong and beets are grand. Let's munch on carrots in this veggie land. Peas are tiny and cauliflower's cool. Veggies are tasty and make us rule. Veggies, veggies, yummy and bright. Eat 'em up with all our might. Red, green, yellow, and orange too. Veggies are good for me and you.